Hello and welcome to another episode of Financial Earning. On today's video, I want to talk to you about a couple of Mullen's recent PRs. The first one is a PR that they published on January 8th, and this has to do with a grant to the Department of Energy for domestic battery material processing. So if you want to go ahead and read along, I highlighted some of the important notes. So Mullen Advanced Energy is the subsidiary of Mullen Automotive, and they submitted a concept paper in response to the U.S. Department of Energy's funding opportunity for battery materials. This funding was established November 13th, 2023 by the current administration, and it has up to $3.5 billion of infrastructure in order to boost domestic production of advanced batteries and battery materials nationwide. So the program is designed to provide grants for battery material processing to ensure that the United States has a viable battery materials processing industry. So in Mullen's concept paper, the company plans to produce approximately 150,000 battery packs domestically through calendar year 2032. And this is to support Mullen's EVs currently assembled there in the Tunica facility. The plan projects to reduce the current battery cost by over 20%. And as these batteries are the single largest material cost, the savings will have a significant contribution to Mullen's competitiveness as well as their profit margin. So the concept paper seeks $50 million DOE grant to support capital investment, and here's what the money will be used for: plant equipment and tooling to maximize capacity for manufacturing the battery modules and packs for electric vehicles, industrial energy storage, and consumer applications. So interesting note here at the Fullerton, California facility. As mentioned there, this is the new facility. It's 122,000 square feet. They're looking to create these battery packs or manufacture battery packs for both the electric vehicles, industrial energy storage, and then consumer applications. So things that we're going to be using at the house, whether it's solar panel, battery storage, or things of that nature. So interesting that Mullen is going to have a little bit of a different market share outside of just the automotive industry. And the company will be submitting its formal application, expected to take place on or before March 19th, 2024. And just to remind everyone, if you have looked at the Department of Energy's website, they do have a map. It's interactive. You can look at all the different companies and the different types of technology. Just wanted to note that there's currently two different locations of Mullen Automotive listed on the map. You have the Tunica facility for the vehicles, and then you have the Fullerton, California location for the battery packs. So just wanted to make sure that you're aware of that. As of right now, the reported investment is unreported. So we'll have to stay tuned to see if the Department of Energy decides to grant any grants. All right, and moving forward to January 10th, you'll see that Mullen has submitted a similar application, except this application is again for $50 million. However, it is a loan. The other one's a grant. So just kind of jumping in this a little bit, for those of you who aren't aware, there is what's called an ATVM loan. And we'll go through that a little bit. That's Advanced Technology Vehicles Manufacturing Loan. Currently, the government has put a total of $25 billion into loan opportunities for various companies since 2008. So Mullen actually submitted a pre-application to the DOE for this ATVM loan program to support its expansion into the domestic battery manufacturing. Part of the pre-application, Mullen did go ahead and put out details that they plan to produce approximately 150,000 battery packs through calendar year 2032. And they plan on using the money to support the capital investment for the plant equipment and tooling to maximize capacity at Mullen's new 122,000 square foot facility there at Fullerton, California. So I think it's pretty interesting that Mullen's kind of being strategic in a way by trying to go after both a government grant as well as a government loan. In the event they get both, they're not going to be able to take both. There is some information in the ATVM loan that says that they can't take any other government funding for the same type of program. So of course they'll take the grant. That's free money. They'll have to pay that back. But in the event that the grant money is not available, they do have this ATVM loan opportunity. And if you want to hear a little bit more about loan opportunity, I'm going to have another video that kind of breaks down the requirements and eligibility for the ATVM loan. So go ahead and click that video when you see it come up in a little bit. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a like, put some comments out, any other information you'd like to see me cover. And if you haven't yet already, please consider subscribing, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks.